Hey guys, so today I'm gonna explain which add-on is good, Boxer, Hookups, or Fluent. If you don't know about me, so I'm a 3D artist for years now, and I do 3D modeling, specifically hard surface kind of stuff. I'm also a freelancer, so yeah, I do commission and that kind of stuff. So that's why I use these add-ons because they just increase the workflow. So these are just some of my example of my work, which I usually do. And if you ask me what I, to be honest, use usually is Boxer, Hookups, and Great Modeler. There is another also add-on which is called Flint. It's also a good one, but you need to spend a little bit time to just understand it because it's a bit different and. It's the workflow is totally different than the Boxer and Hookups and Grid Modeler. So yeah, I use also Mac Machine. So these are all really useful. If you ask me, the toolkit, like if you want to buy these all as a chain, so you can use them. So I will suggest using Boxer, Hookups, and the Grid Modeler and Mesh Machine is really good and just increase your workload too much. You can see these all models I created, like this one. These are all the scenes I created by help of Boxer Hookups in Mesh Machine. Well, Mesh Machine is actually not a modeling add-on. It's actually cleaning artifacts, selecting those loops which you can't select manually, but it's take too much time. Like it just help you to make sure that you get like you can do your work in less time. So yeah, if we talk about Flint, so yeah, I try to use it. Flint have also a close system. Just you click it and just make it close. That side, which is really impressive. Right, I like it. But overall, I don't use Flint. I don't say it's bad one. It's same like Grid Modeler with but extra, way extra options. Like you can extrude, you can create, generate whatever you want. You can bevel, whatever you want to do. You can easily do in Flint. You can bevel, rebevel, or create shapes, unique shapes. So, yeah, if you ask me like complexity, if you really want some add-on which have a lot of complexity and which can handle a lot of stuff alone, so Flint is best. But to be honest, you can't use Flint with Boxcutter. It's not. This will not work. So yep, Flint now only works with this Flint. Yeah, it works also with hookups. Like hookups, it's actually just in a like a short hotkeys section, just an add-on. We just increase your workflow by you don't need to go and modifier tabs and just search for those usual modifiers. And yeah, these all are those things which hookups do. I will tell in another video. But the point of this video is just tell you which add-ons do like many people say to use this add-on. So yeah, you think, oh bro, what's the deal? Like, what's the point to use them? So deal is like you can still create good stuff. Like look at this one. Look at this one. I create without any add-on, like just totally manual modeling. The point is, if you know what you are going to make and you know the fundamentals, so you can easily create. These add-ons just help you to increase your workflow. That's all. Nothing more special. Nothing less. Nothing more. They are just the tools which just increase the work. It's just like you're using X to cut the woods, chop the woods, but now you're using a whole chainsaw. It's just like that. So, but you need to be understand how to use that chainsaw. You need to just refill it. You need to know how to grab it. You need to know the safety measurements. These are all the things like. But using an axe, you just need to know. Oh, I just need to make sure that I don't hit by myself. That's all. But just hit the wood, and you can just cut it. The work do the same, but it's required too much extra time. That's something is the difference between add-ons, using add-ons and without using add-ons. And I met with a lot of people just using Boxer and hookups. They create a lot of enormous stuff. And yep, that's something it is. Like you can't say that it's the add-on which create cool stuff. It's you who know and want to create some stuff. There's a lot of sections. I can explain it, but yeah. So today, videos explain, I explained it very well. You can see my old artwork, and even you can go on my art station to see and observe what I did. You can even easily explain which is simple, like simple details easily can create. Actually, as a 3D artist, when you are a freelancer or you're doing commission work, so the problem is you have a deadline, so you need to complete it as soon as possible because you need to also figure out the mistake and other stuff. So that's the on that time these kind of add-ons come up. They help you to save your time and just save those initial minutes which you can save easily. So that's a hit. That's it. Nothing more special. I'm saying again, these are just the tools. They don't increase your work, like the quality of the work, but they increase the speed of your. Like for example, you complete a 1 cup model in 1 hour. It's just an example. Because of these tools, you can complete it in 30 minutes. So you now have 30 minutes more, so you can spend those 30 minutes to increase the material quality to make the model more appear look good. Because not only the modeling is important, texturing is also a good part and initial part of that, which many people miss. So yeah, I think there is a lot of add-ons also for materials, but I think making from like the painting, texture painting, and doing a lot of stuff, like not only just using procedure textures, it's way convenient and more professional. So that's guys for this video. I hope you like it. And if you ask me how much rating I should give to Baxter and the Hot Ups, well, they deserve, I think, 10 out of 9 or 8. The reason of the 9 on 8 or not a 10 out of 10 is there's some problems, like it's makes some problems, but it's not too much. But with the new versions, I don't know why with the rate normal it's also not working. You need to use bevel modifier to make it turn. But still, it's a good add-on. And Fluent is complex one. It took at least 1 week to get used to that one, and after that you can create really good shit with that. But you need to make sure that your computer is good so you can just understand, like, bear that assimilation of the fabric. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, so tell me in comments which add-on I should try next and give a review about it. So goodbye and see you next time.